Y'all, 'tis the season to get chunky, so I ordered these in an extra large because I do not like anything that I sleep in to be tight. I'm gonna try it on for y'all in a second, but I wanted to show you what it looks like coming out of the bag. This is the red plaid buffalo. They had like 6 or 7 other colors. Oh yes, I am so, y'all, it feels so soft. So this is what it looks like on. And I was worried that an extra large would be way too big, but I guess I am fluffier than I think I am because it actually fits really, really well. I'm about like 170 and 5'4". If you like your stuff to be like extra baggy, I would say go up a size because this to me is like the perfect size. You could wear it like this, but it has a drawstring waist. It has pockets, it has a pocket up here, like you pop your cell phone in. And I haven't even washed these yet, which is kind of nasty, but they are so soft and comfortable already. And I love the length. Normally at 5'4", everything I kind of have to have hemmed, and you can see it's like exactly where I would want it to be like walking around the house. And I love that it has pockets. I am obsessed with anything with pockets. So cute.